welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the new Google Weather app. Now currently this app is exclusive for some reason to Pixel phones, and later on in the video I'll show you guys how to install it. And for those unfamiliar, this is the new Pixel Google Weather app. So right now you can see I have my current location blurred out for the sake of privacy, but some of these are my saved locations. I do live in the Denver area. So if I click into one of these, you can see this is the main page. So it'll tell you the feels like temperature, the high and the low, and I just feel like this app is pretty slick. Personally, I think it's just a really nice looking app. So see here, you can see your hourly forecast, your 10-day forecast, weather map. This will actually show you like projected precipitation. I live in Denver area in Colorado, so it never rains here. Precipitation, see 0 inches. That's accurate. 5% mile per hour winds. Shows you the sunrise and sunset. The UV index. Air quality. And a lot of these you can click into too. So if I click into this one, it'll tell me this is the air quality and give you kind of a description of what that means, which is pretty cool. Visibility, so how much, I guess, smog is in your area, or maybe that's clouds as well. The humidity, so all these things are pretty nice. Like I said, you can click into these and get more information. This will even tell you per hour of the day what the humidity is like. And then pressure. And then the 10-day forecast you can also click into, and you can look at every single one of these days on a 10-day. So this tells me the high and the low per hour, and then all the other same information. So in order to install this pretty slick weather app, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to head over to our web browser, and I'm going to a website called APK Mirror. Now don't worry, this is a legitimate website. I've used it for years. It is just a backup of every APK in existence. So if you ever want to get like an older version of an app, this is a great place to go. If for some reason you're having issues with the later update of an app and you want to just uninstall it, you could sideload it. And that's what we're going to be doing here with the Google Weather. So what we're going to do is we're going to be searching for Google Weather. And I'm using Kiwi browser. You can do this on Samsung browser or whatever browser you're using, as long as we enable unknown sources within that web browser. And I'll show you guys what that means in a little bit here. So here's the weather app by Google LLC. This is the one we want. We're going to scroll down to available downloads. And in order to install this, it is in a specialized app bundle. The app bundle is a specific kind of file that can be installed with the APK Mirror installer. So first things first, we are going to download this file here. If you have an ad blocker, you're going to have to wait a little while for this bar to clear, and then it's going to let you download. So here I've already downloaded it, but I'm just going to hit download again, keep things simple. And the next thing we're going to need is we're going to need this APK Bundle Mirror Installer. So we're going to go ahead and install that as well. It's going to bring up the Google Play Store, and we're going to install this from the Google Play Store. And I'm going to go ahead, once this is installed, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall this app real quick just so I can run through this. So I'm going to uninstall my Pixel Weather app. So now that you've done those things, we got to go locate the file. You can either do it from your web browser. Oops. You can do it from your web browser. In this case, I'm using a version of Chrome. It's called Kiwi browser, but it should be very similar to Chrome. You can go to downloads here. So from our downloads, this is the file that we just downloaded. The com.google.android.apps.weather. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to bring up a window here. It's going to ask you, how do you want to open this file? And for the bundle type of file, we want to use that program that we just installed, the APK Mirror Installer Beta. So I'm just going to click on this, and it's going to bring up the APK Mirror Installer. We're going to go ahead and allow access to our storage so it knows what to do with the file. So it's brought it up here. It's verified the signature, verified that it's the app that we want. And there's some other settings that you can mess with. I typically just keep everything on default and go ahead and just hit install. You will have to allow install unknown apps permissions. So I'm going to go ahead and just check this box to allow permissions of side-loading apps with the APK Mirror Installer. Go back here, and I think we're going to have to click on this one more time. This is an ad-supported program, so you are going to have to maybe wait 10 seconds before it installs. So there it goes. Go ahead and click install. And the APK Mirror Installer is going to do its thing. Hopefully here, it's thinking hard. There we go. So it says the app is installed. Let's go ahead and open it. And here we are in Pixel Weather. I'm going to allow it to send me notifications because I do like it sometimes sends notifications of weather events and whatnot. So let's just go ahead and go back. I'm going to go find a location that I'm near, and here's Denver. And there you go, we now have the Pixel Weather app, and it is installed now on my Samsung Galaxy Fold 6. And this will work, like I said, on other Android devices. As long as you follow those steps, you should be able to install this app and be able to access the same weather app that your Pixel friends are able to enjoy. So anyway, that'll do it for this video. If you guys like this kind of content, I'll be coming out with some more videos, tips and tricks, tech tips. Right now I'm sticking with phones, but eventually I'll be coming out with more tips and tricks for PCs and computers and different kind of tech. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe for more content, and as always, have a wonderful day.